Hey guys, doing a blower motor on what is this, '07 Envoy, something like that. Trailblazer's the same. We pulled the glove box down. You can just squeeze on these tabs on both sides. Glove box comes down, and here's our wiring harness for the blower motor. I tested for power and ground on this. Power and ground's good. Have the key on, turn your blower motor on. This one's not working at all, and there should be power coming out of that red wire, ground to that black wire. So the first thing to do is unclip your wire to the blower motor. Now we need to get the blower motor out, which means we need to take off. We'll squeeze these back together, get the glove box back up. We need to take off this black cover. You got, I believe it's a 7mm here and there to take this black cover off. Let's do that. All right, there's our black cover. We had a couple of wiring harnesses with Christmas trees on them that plug into these 3 holes. This is equipped with satellite radio. To get this clip out, pull the blue clip back, and then you can squeeze. And this one, you just got to squeeze just right to get that one off. So if you got satellite radio, you might have that. Now we got all these wires dangling, and it looks like somebody has put some other wire in here. So that's kind of annoying that it's in our way. And our blower motor sits right up in here. We've got to take these little guys out. There should be 3 of them, I believe. They hold the plastic cover on. I think those are 5.5mm. I'll double check. To make our job a lot easier, we've got this little air tool to zip them out with an extender. Let's get to it. All right, blower motor just kind of fell out of there. Had to finagle it past some wiring. And we've got this one little wire here, goes from the resistor to the power for the blower motor. It's just clipped in there. So we'll take that out real quick. See if I can see what I'm doing. You gotta kind of like push it around this clip. There we go. I know you guys probably can't see nothing right now, but that's fine. And boom, we got it out of there. Let's see what our new blower motor is looking like. This one goes in the scrap metal pile. Goodbye. Part number 35237. It should look the same. And it doesn't look the same. Definitely doesn't look the same. I think they gave me the wrong blower motor. All right, back to the drawing board. Hey, we're back at it with the correct blower motor this time. Looks a little something like this. Don't know what that was all about. You know, you're working in some tight quarters here, so we're gonna try to shove that there blower motor up in there and get one of these 3 screws started. And zip them in. Make sure you face it the right direction. Alright, we got the car running. Blower motor's working, maybe you can hear it. Sweet. Now we're just gonna put this stuff back together. We got the satellite radio to plug in, and we got these little guys that clip to that black plastic. So, where did I put that piece? There it is. Right there. So they clip in. They clip in right here. 1, 2, 3. Alright. We'll put it back together, we're good to go.